Starting around the 12th of May 2023, star map book DAO generally is exchanging at 16 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.64% in most recent 60 minutes. Or so they sort of thought. Polies explicitly has a really complete market cap of $25,224,351 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $329,469 in an unobtrusive manner. This for the most part makes star map book DAO truly positioning at 544 in the cryptographic money market, which is genuinely huge. On the off chance that you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what fundamentally is the star chart book DAO cost forecast finish of 2023, what will star map book DAO especially be worth in 2023 in a genuinely huge manner? Is star chart book DAO a truly wise venture or for the most part worth purchasing in 2023 in a sort of significant manner? Will Poli's cost in every way that really matters outperform its unsurpassed high, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking? These really are our star chart book DAO cost expectations for Poli's future, so these sort of are our star map book DAO cost expectations for Poli's future, which basically is very critical. Star chart book DAO value forecast 2023, which really is genuinely huge, as per the star map book DAO estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Poli's cost by and large is supposed to explicitly cross a kind of normal value level of 23 cents. The normal sort of least value worth of star map book DAO toward the finish of the fundamentally current year ought to be 22 cents, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Besides, Poli's can for the most part arrive at a truly greatest value level of 25 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Star map book DAO value estimate May 2023. In May 2023, the greatest cost for star map book DAO could really stretch around 19 cents in an unpretentious manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of Poli's in May 2023 certainly is 17 cents with a kind of typical cost of 18 cents, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Star chart book DAO value expectation June 2023. With respect to June 2023, star map book DAO cost basically is gauged to in a real sense arrive at a practically the most reduced cost of 18 cents. Fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking, the Poli's cost could for the most part arrive at a very greatest cost of 19 cents with the exceptionally normal expected cost around 19 cents, which especially shows that besides Poli's can in a real sense arrive at a sort of most extreme value level of 25 cents in an especially large manner. Star map book DAO value expectation July 2023. With respect to July 2023, star chart book DAO cost is estimate to essentially arrive at a fundamentally the least cost of 18 cents, which for the most part shows that star map book DAO value expectation 2023 certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. The Poli's cost could truly arrive at a by and large greatest cost of 20 cents with the typical expected cost around 19 cents. Sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Star map book DAO value expectation August 2023. Concerning August 2023, star map book DAO cost really is estimate to explicitly arrive at an essentially the most minimal cost of 19 cents, or so they in every practical sense thought. The Poli's cost could in a real sense arrive at an especially greatest cost of 21 cents with the especially normal expected cost around 20 cents, showing how moreover, the minimum cost of Poli's in May 2023 sort of is 17 cents with a sort of typical cost of 18 cents in a huge manner. Star chart book DAO value expectation September 2023. The cost for star map book DAO in September 2023 can go somewhere in the range of 20 cents and 22 cents, which basically is genuinely huge, while the especially normal exchanging cost ought to be around 21 cents, which basically is very critical. Poli's value estimate October 2023. Concerning October 2023, star map book DAO is supposed to basically arrive at an especially least value worth of 20 cents, most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Poli's cost could really arrive at an essentially most extreme cost of 23 cents with the exceptionally normal cost around 21 cents, which especially is genuinely huge. Star chart book DAO value expectation November 2023. Star chart book DAO cost is supposed to truly reach between 21 cents to 24 cents in November 2023, while the sort of typical cost of Poli's for the November generally remains around 22 cents. Star map book DAO value gauge December 2023. The star map book DAO cost for December 2023 may really arrive at a truly least worth of 22 cents, while the kind of greatest gauge cost generally is around 25 cents, which in a real sense is very huge. The very normal cost for Poli's essentially is fundamentally anticipated to reach 23 cents in December 2023, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Star Map Book DAO Past Value Examination in the Beyond 24 Hours. The crypto especially has been somewhat diminished by 5.78% in its especially current worth. So Star Chart Book DAO essentially past value examination in the very beyond 24 hours. The crypto for the most part has been by and large diminished by 5.78% in its genuinely current worth, or so they generally thought. Assuming we essentially analyze the ongoing business sector cap of the polies with yesterday, you can truly see that the market cap truly is likewise down. So in the event that we think about the extremely current market cap of the polies with yesterday's, you can especially see that the market cap especially is additionally down, or so they generally thought. Star Map Book DAO in every way that really matters is confronting an in every way that really matters difficult time jumping aboard with sort of other crypto coins, exhibiting how these all things consider are our Star Map Book DAO cost expectations for polies as future. So these in every practical sense are our Star Map Book DAO cost forecasts for polies as future, which by and large is genuinely critical. The polies basically is down to nearly 4.95% in the sort of most recent 7 days in a really significant manner. The coin certainly is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for sort of past sort of couple of days. The coin could truly have major areas of strength for pretty, however. We don't actually believe that it would a beneficial resource in by and large present moment, which fundamentally shows that the polies explicitly is down to nearly 4.95% in the especially most recent 7 days, which generally is genuinely huge. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of polies by and large diminished by 34.502%, disposing of an astounding fundamentally normal amount of 8 cents from its truly current worth in an extremely huge manner. This unexpected down basically implies that the coin most certainly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can especially be a truly great in every practical sense purchase a valuable open door for pretty speedy venture, showing how Star Chart Book DAO value expectation September 2023. The cost for Star Map Book DAO in September 2023 can run somewhere in the range of 20 cents and 22 cents, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Star Map Book DAO Value Conjecture 2023 FAQs. What will be Star Map Book DAO genuinely worth in 2023, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking? The polies cost certainly is estimated to arrive at a sort of most extreme degree of 25 cents with kind of least cost of 22 cents toward the finish of 2023. Kind of additional appearance how POLIS value figure October 2023 concerning October 2023. Star Map Book DAO in every practical sense is supposed to truly arrive at any rate value worth of 20 cents, or so they explicitly thought. Star's Chart Book DAO really have a future in an unobtrusive manner. As far as value, Star Chart Book DAO generally has an extraordinary in every way that really matters potential to arrive at new levels in a sort of significant manner fundamentally. It in a real sense is figure that polies will increment in esteem, showing how POLIS value estimate October 2023 concerning October 2023. Star Map Book DAO really is supposed to in every way that really matters arrive at a very least value worth of 20 cents, which is genuinely critical, as per truly unambiguous specialists and business examiners. Star Map Book DAO can especially stir things up around town the greatest cost of $1.22 till 2030, exhibiting that Star Map Book DAO value expectation July 2020.